Hi guys, my name is Ratan. We are discussing HTML classes, right? Yeah, so last class we done with the text formatting tags. So we are discussing text formatting tags. See guys, I think last class we done this code heading tags. So this is the paragraph. In the paragraph we discussed bold italic. This is the hypertext markup language. Bold italic. Web page is the underline, and this is a small tag, a small data coming. This is a break. This gap is like break next line. HTML is a quotation marks. Tim Berners-Lee is the this is what tag? Tell me guys, delete tag. 1991 is a mark tag. HTML is trying to be Mr.Ratan sir. This is the strong tag. Double three is what? Abbreviation tag. When you place the cursor, you are getting abbreviation, right? Yeah, this is abbreviation tag. HTML purpose. I think this is a pre tag. Pre tag means in the HTML code. So in HTML code, so this is your HTML code, right? In HTML code, what is the way you return? The same way you are getting output here. That is called pre-tag, pre-formatted text. That is called pre-tag. Next one is the text scrolling. This is the heading tag. Under the heading tag, you discuss Ratan sir and HTML class are nice. That is scrolling tag, marquee tag you use, right? What the tag is? Marquee tag. Marquee tag direction, left, right, up, down, scroll amount, how much scroll amount required, right? Next one is the text direction tag. Text direction is what? This is the right to left, left to right, and this is what? Right to left, right? Yeah, we are using text formatting tags like that, right? Yeah, text formatting tags. Because in this video, let me write some important dates. Let me go for the H5 tag. The tag is what? H5 means small heading. I'm taking the H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. This is what? Tell me guys. Important. Tell me guys. Important dates and formulas. Guys, important dates and what? Formulas, right? Close the H5 tags. This is the important dates and tell me guys formulas. Just you can save this code, Control S, and open the browser. Just you can refresh. Now we can see the last one, important dates and what? Formulas, right? Exactly, important dates and formulas. I think it's going very small here. H5 tag. First you can take this is also what? H2 tag. Otherwise, here you can close this H2 tag. So the headings range is what? Up to H1 to H6, right? Just you can refresh. Okay, important dates and what? Formulas. Now see guys, let me write the one paragraph here. Just you can take the paragraph tag. So my birthday date. My birthday date is what? Just you can write the date 25th of May. Tell me guys, 2001. I'm giving some data like that. So my birthday date is what? 25th of May 2001. Just you can close the paragraph. Closing the paragraph, right? See this point guys. My birthday on 25th. My birthday date 25th of May 2001. Just you can save this one. Come to the browser and just you can click on the refresh. Once if you click on the refresh, now see my birthday date is what? 25th of May 2001 you got, right? Yes or no? Good. But tell me here the point is 25th. TH is coming, right? But tell me guys, this TH should be 25th. That TH should be the beside of 25 or in upper data now. Definitely it should be there in the upper, right? If it should be there in the upper means just you can write the superscript guys. You can write the SUP super. Just you can close what? SUP, right? SUP means superscript. Guys, SUP means what? Superscript, right? Just you can come to the browser, click on the refresh. Now see 25th is coming like upper, right? Guys, 25th is coming what? Upper or not? My birthday date is what? 25th of May 2001. Like this guys. And you can take one more if you want. My company joining date. So my company joining date. So joining date. So I am writing the joining date will be taking one more paragraph. Fine. Joining date is what? 3rd of October 2002. 2010. Assume like that. So 3rd of October 2010 like that. But tell me definitely RD is what? Side up? Definitely up. Just you can take what script guys? Superscript, right? SUP and close the SUP, right? Exactly. Guys, are you clear, right? Just you can refresh this one. Here you get the message. My company joining date is what? 3rd of October 2010. Guys, 3rd of October what? 2010, right? Guys, like that. This is what script? Superscript, right? SUP tag. superscript tag, right? Exactly. Because after that you can take the next tag will be the subscript, right? Just you can take the one more paragraph. So just you can write the chemical formula. Chemical, okay, formula. What is the chemical formula I want write is, and close the paragraph tag. I want write the chemical formula C6H2O2 what N2, something like this, N8. Don't ask what is this formula, guys. Just generally in the chemical formulas what we can see, C6H2O2 N8, something like that, right? Good. Okay, just you can refresh the browser. Once if you refresh the browser, in the below you are getting the message is what? Chemical formula. What the chemical formula tell me? C6H2O2 N8, right? But you tell me the C6 should be the side of 6, below of 6. Definitely you tell like no, below of 6, right? H2 also below of below, right? O2 also below, 8 also below, right? Yeah, below means what, guys? Superscript or subscript? Subscript, right? Just you can take the subscript, guys. Just you can take the sub sub. Just you can make the sub opening and close the subscript. Close the subscript, right? Just you can see the output once. Yeah, now see 6 you can see. Wow, you got the output, right? Wow, super. We got the C6, we got the output like 6, right? In the same way we can write the 2 also, so subscript, 2 close sub closing and what sub closing, and you can take the sub here and you can close the sub, right? And 8 also, just you can take the sub here and close the what tag is here, sub tag, right? Like that. Just you can refresh this browser. Now see, that is the formula. Super. Yeah, important dates on what, guys? Formulas. So my birthday date is what? 25th. TH is what? Subscript or superscript? Tell me, guys, subscript or superscript? TH is a superscript, right? And the 3rd of October is what? Superscript. C6H2O2N2 N8 is what? This is subscript, right? That is called 2 tags we discussed in this video. One is the superscript tag, one is what? Subscript tag, right? Exactly. And even your favorite movie is there, right? What is the movie? Tell me some movie name. We can write the Tillu Square, no? But the movie name, guys, Tillu Square. See, your movie name is, generally we are taking the movie name. Movie name is, tell me. Tillu Square is a movie name, right? Just you can refresh. Now see, now Tillu 2 coming. You want Tillu 2 or Tillu Square? Tillu Square, right? Tillu Square means that's for going for the up. Up means what? This Tillu, just you can take, this is what? Superscript, right? Close the superscript. Okay? Just you can refresh the browser. Now you will get the Tillu Square. Guys, yes or no? Yeah, that is called important dates on what, guys? Formulas. Is it clear? So these are all about text formatting tags, guys. All about what? The text formatting tags. Tell me, what is this, guys? Heading. What is this line? Horizontal. What is this complete data? Paragraph. What is this one? When I highlighted, you have to respond, guys. What is this one? Bold and italic. And what is this one? Underline. And what is this date selected? Small. What is this gap? Tell me here, what is the gap? Gap is the break. What is this one? Quotation marks. And what is this one here? Timber-Berners-Lee? Delete. This 1991 mark. Mr.Ratan sir is the strong. 333 is the abbreviation, right? Yeah, we got the abbreviation, right? This is HTML purpose, heading tag. This is horizontal line. This is what tag, guys? Paragraph or pre-tag? I think we written the pre-tag. Pre-tag means what? What is the way you written? The same way you'll get the output, right? In HTML code, you written the way, the same way you'll get the output, right? Exactly. Text scrolling. This is what tag, guys? Marquee. Marquee contains the 2 attributes. What are the attributes? Tell me. Marquee contains the direction of the data and scroll amount, right? Direction and scroll amount. This is called what? Bidirectional override. Text direction. Right to left. BDO tag. BDO. Bidirectional override. What the tag is here? Bidirectional override, right? This is like text printing from right to left, right? Right to left, this is left to right. Important dates and formulas. This is heading tag. And here my birthday on 25th of May. TH should be in the upper. Upper means what? Superscript. TRD also superscript. C6H2 is a formula, right? Chemical formula. In the chemical formula, it should be subscript, right? Movie name is what? Tillu Square. Tillu Square means what? Above, right? Superscript, right? Exactly. Guys, this is a way of learning the concepts, guys. I hope you are following all the videos and you are doing the comments and likings and sharing the information, right? Yeah. Thank you, guys. Meet in the next video. We'll continue. Bye.